Hey there. Let me ask you something. Do you ever find yourself taking things apart just to see how they work? Or maybe you love building stuff, solving puzzles, or tinkering with gadgets? If you said yes, you might just be a future engineer, maker, or even a tech innovator. Here's the thing. Everything awesome around you, your phone, cars, bridges, even spaceships, was dreamed up, designed, and built by people who started out just like you. And right now, the classes you're taking in high school are already laying the groundwork for some seriously cool careers. Let's break it down. First up, the designers and planners, the engineers. These folks are like the architects of the modern world. Mechanical engineers design powerful engines and clever machines. Civil engineers build the stuff we use every day: bridges, buildings, roads. Aerospace engineers? They're the ones making planes and rockets soar. Robotics engineers build the robots that help us in factories and even explore Mars. And biomedical engineers, they invent the medical tech that saves lives. But what about the people who bring those plans to life? Enter the builders and makers, advanced manufacturing pros. CNC programmers use computer code to control machines that cut and shape with mind-blowing precision. Additive manufacturing specialists are basically 3D printing wizards, turning digital designs into real objects. Automation technicians keep the robots running smoothly, while welding technicians use heat and skill to build everything from cars to skyscrapers. And then there are the future makers, the high-tech heroes. AI and machine learning engineers teach computers to think, making factories smarter and more efficient. Sustainability engineers focus on protecting the planet with green tech. And industrial cybersecurity specialists? They're the digital guardians keeping factories safe from hackers. Now, here's the coolest part. The skills you're building right now in school are exactly what you'll need in these fields. Every time you solve a tricky math problem, work in a team, or pay attention to details, you're training for your future career. Your computer skills, your safety smarts, your ability to problem solve, they all matter. So, which classes should you keep an eye on if this sounds like your thing? Math and science, for sure. But don't sleep on computer classes, engineering electives, or even shop and tech courses. Every project, every experiment, every group assignment is a step closer to a real-world job where you can make a difference. Want to see how this all connects? Let's say you're learning about fractions in math. That's exactly what a CNC machinist uses to make parts fit perfectly. Or maybe you're studying electricity and science, just like an electrical engineer designing circuits. Even your English or social studies classes help, because being able to research, write, and communicate is key in any career. If you're curious, talk to your teachers about taking classes on the advanced manufacturing or engineering pathway. Try out hands-on projects. Build a paper bridge, set up a mini assembly line, or sketch your own invention. The more you explore now, the more doors you'll open later. So, what kind of creator will you be? The world needs thinkers, builders, and innovators. And it all starts right here, in your classroom. Your future is waiting. Why not start building it today?